Let's create a secret key and a secret access key for our IM user. Once you've signed into the console, search for IM. On the sidebar, click Users. In the search bar, click your username. Click the Security Credentials tab and scroll down to Access Keys. Click Create Access Key. Click Other and Next. Give your key a name and click Create Access Key. Copy your access key and your secret access key. Then click Done. Now let's create an S3 bucket. To do this, in the AWS console, search for S3. To create a bucket on the sidebar, click Buckets. Then click Create Bucket. Give the bucket a name. The bucket name must be unique across all of AWS, not just your account, so make sure it's unique. And make sure that Block All Public Access is checked, as shown here. It's a good security practice to not have your buckets accessible to the public. In just a moment, we'll set what's called a bucket policy that allows you to access the bucket but no one else. Leave the rest of the defaults and then click Create Bucket. Now let's apply that bucket policy. Search for the bucket, select it, and then go to Permissions. Under Bucket Policy, click Edit. Paste the bucket policy that allows you to access this bucket, but no one else. Here's the bucket policy. We'll make this available for you in the Unstructured documentation. Let's walk through some of the major parts of the policy. This statement allows access to the following AWS principal. In this case, it's the user account named Paul in this account, and it allows actions to be done on this bucket. Here's the name of the bucket. The actions that can be performed on the bucket include reading, listing, deleting, and writing objects to the bucket. Click Save Changes. Let's add some content to the bucket. So I'm back in the bucket, and let's click Create Folder. I want a folder named Input. Click Create Folder. I want another folder named Output. So click Create Folder. For this demo, I have two folders. The first folder, Input, is where all my files will be, and then the data that Unstructured gives me back, I want to go into the Output folder. So let's add a PDF file to the Input folder. Click Input, click Upload. Let's add some files from my local machine. In this case, a PDF containing the text of the Constitution of the United States. Then click Upload. Back in the bucket, if we click the Input folder, we'll see the constitution.pdf file. Alright, so we have the information we need. First of all, we'll need to give Unstructured the S3 URL. This will be S3:/ followed by the bucket name, followed by any folder name. We'll also need to give it that secret key and that secret access key from earlier in the video.